If you want to add a new image in Photopea, there are a few quick and easy ways to do it, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest method step by step. Whether you want to bring in a photo, a graphic, a screenshot, or an image from the web, Photopea makes it very simple to add it into your current project without wasting time. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photopea tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The fastest method is drag and drop. First, open the folder where your image is saved. On Windows, that can be File Explorer, and on Mac, it can be Finder. Then simply click and drag the image file directly into the Photopea canvas area. As soon as you drop it in, Photopea will import it right into your project. You'll usually see transform handles around the image, which means you can resize, move, or rotate it right away before placing it. This is really useful if you want to quickly insert an image without going through extra menus. You can click and drag the corner handles to make the image smaller or larger, and if you need to rotate it, you can adjust it before confirming the placement. When you're happy with the size and position, press enter on your keyboard. You can also click the check mark at the top if that appears in your version of Photopea. That commits the image to the canvas as a new layer. Now let's look at the second method, which is the menu method. This is great if you prefer working from the top menu instead of dragging files around. At the top of Photopea, click File, then choose Open and Place. This is the important option you want to use because it adds the image into your current project instead of opening it separately. After clicking Open and Place, browse your computer and select the image you want to add. Once you click Open, the image will appear on your current canvas as a new layer. Just like with drag and drop, you'll see the transform box around it, so you can adjust the size and position before placing it. Once everything looks right, press Enter to confirm. There is one very important thing to avoid here. Do not click File and then Open, because that will open the image as a separate project in a new tab. If your goal is to add the image into your existing design, then Open and Place is the correct option every time. That small difference can save a lot of confusion, especially if you're new to Photopea. Now let's go over the third method, which is copy and paste. This is especially helpful if you're pulling an image from a website, a screenshot, or even something already copied to your clipboard. If you're on the web, you can right-click an image and choose Copy Image, or you can copy a file or screenshot using Ctrl and C on Windows, or Command and C on Mac. Once the image is copied, switch back to Photopea and press Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac. Photopea will paste the image directly into your project as a new layer. This is a really convenient option when you don't want to download the file first. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for quick edits. After pasting, you may again see the transform controls, which let you move the image, scale it, or position it exactly where you need it. Just adjust it to fit your design and press Enter to place it. And that's really all there is to it. So to recap, you can add a new image in Photopea by dragging and dropping it into the canvas, using File and Open and Place, or copying and pasting it directly from your clipboard. If you want the fastest method, drag and drop is usually the easiest. If you want a more traditional menu-based method, use Open and Place. And if you're working with web images or screenshots, copy and paste is a great shortcut. Hopefully this made Photopea a little easier to use. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.